So welcome to another Polkadoodles video. In today's one I was playing around with die cutting my own stencil to be able to create this background, but then I thought, why not add a bit extra ink onto the piece that I've been using as a stencil and actually heat emboss it, add a bit of sparkle and turn it into an element for a further card as well. So not only could you do this card plus a few others, you can then use your actual stencil piece to create another card too. And for this project, what I was using was the Leafy Fronds die set from Polkadoodles. The gorgeous bold hello sentiment is called Big Hello Sentiment, and it has two separate dies in here that you can layer on top of each other. I like cutting my bubble out of vellum just so it like subtly mutes the background behind the word, and then I did do this one from black this time to make it stand out really nicely, but white looks equally gorgeous too. I just thought, because it's sort of a busy kind of background, I thought black would stand out. And then to go along with that theme of having sort of darker sentiments, the brand new Perfectly Perfect sentiment set that has the stamp that stamps all of these sentiments in one go, and then the die that cuts all of them out at the same time as well, saves you so much time. But not only can you just do the normal generic stamp in black onto white card and die cut out, you can do heat emboss in white onto black card and get the different sort of inverse kind of version of your sentiments as well. Plus you can do gold and silver heat embossing, you can do any colour of stamping onto white card or a coloured card, anything you want to, and you just get so many beautiful sentiments all in one go. So this is a fantastic set to get your hands on. And then as the finishing touches on these, I use some of the brilliant polka dots from Polkadoodles. You can tell I've been loving these because I'm dwindling my supply of them, but they're absolutely brilliant. And I did actually look at 3 of the colours in this set and pick out my distress inks to coordinate. So if you're looking to make a pinky peachy kind of card to use up some of your pinky peachy polka dots, then dried marigold, ripe persimmon and worn lipstick is the perfect combination to use any of these 3 columns just here. And there's also other perfect combinations for the other colours in this collection as well, which I'll probably mention in the beginning of other videos too. But I've absolutely loved working with these, and I hope you enjoy seeing the process behind how I created these. There's also a little bit of sparkle on them, which is some of the golden Blackberry Opal Blaze touch tips. This one I actually watered a bit down, splattered with it, and then actually clear heat embossed it over the top. And then this one, I did a layer of clear embossing powder. I did 1 or 2 layers, I can't remember now, of a detail embossing powder. Then I put the sparkle on, and then I did an ultra thick layer of clear embossing powder over the top as well. But you get this beautiful, quite gentle kind of sparkle in there that's sort of embedded within that shiny surface, and it looks absolutely gorgeous. So I hope you'll enjoy seeing the process behind these 2 sort of quick and simple projects using some of the brand new dies from the Polkadoodles Summer Garden collection. So enjoy the rest of the video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye!